welcome back to my channel. It's a special day today. It's my birthday.
Wow!
I thought to share with you 32 things I have learned over the years while I clean my kitchen and the living room. My house is an absolute mess, which is what a house with 3 kids would look like. Well, I encourage you to stay till the end because I'm going to be showing you my birthday cake and the gifts my husband got for me at the end of this video. Let's get to it. First, I'm going to put this cake away because I want to have a clean template. This is going to be a mix of heartfelt moments, lessons learned, and a little wisdom to inspire us all. So grab a coffee, start your own reset, and let's jump right in. I wish I knew that it's okay to say no. It's a complete sentence. That my self-care isn't selfish, it is absolutely necessary. Motherhood doesn't mean losing yourself. You can still pursue your passion. It's okay to ask for help. You don't have to do it all alone. That is why you have people like family, friends, and even your neighbors if you can. Time really does fly. So cherish every moment. Take pictures of every moment and you will not regret it. Comparison steals joy. Your journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to your husband, your friend, or even a family member. Your worth isn't tied to your productivity. Time and chance happened to them all. Listen to that again. Boundaries are a form of love for yourself and others. Forgiveness is for you, not for them. You don't want unforgiveness to continually eat you up. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. It's better to start messy than not start at all. Just start because you have to let the shit out first. As a woman, it's important that you invest in yourself because you are the greatest asset. If you invest in yourself, not only will you be proud of yourself, everyone around you, including your children if you have some, will be proud of you. Rest is productive too. If you tire out yourself, your body will ask for the rest when you need it to actually work. Quality over quantity, especially with friendship. You don't need unnecessary friendship. If it's one you have, take care of them. Taking care of your health should be your top priority. Health is wealth. Health is truly wealth. Your dreams are valid no matter how big or small. But I tell you this, the bigger the better. Make your dreams big. Dream big dreams. It's okay to outgrow people. It's part of life. Don't hold on to unnecessary friendships just because you grew up together or were born in the same place. I wish I knew the importance of financial literacy and early savings. I'd probably be a millionaire by now. Gratitude changes everything. It's a mindset shift. There is no one size fits all definition of success. Mistakes are just lessons in disguise. You don't have to wait for perfect moments to start. Trust the process. Growth takes time. Cherish your parents while they are still here because once they're gone, they're gone. Especially your mom. She was once a girl and she's still a girl. She's a girl just like you and she deserves all the love and care you can provide. Let go of perfection. It's an illusion. It's okay to pivot in life. Your path can change. Social media is a highlight reel. Real life is messy. Your voice matters. Don't be afraid to use it. Learn to enjoy your own company. It's empowering. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Be kinder to yourself. You're doing the best you can. Finally, everything happens for a reason, even if you can't see it now. Before I jump into the 32 things I am grateful for, what's that one thing you wish you knew before now? Drop it in the comments below. I can't wait to read your responses. 32 things I am grateful for. First, I'm so grateful for my family, my rock, my joy, my biggest motivation. The health of my loved ones, something I never take for granted. My three amazing children who taught me unconditional love and patience. My husband, my partner, and my constant cheerleader. Living in Ireland has been a blessing. It's given me new perspectives and opportunities. My faith, it keeps me grounded and hopeful. My supportive online community, you all make this journey so much meaningful. Good health, it's truly worth it. The little things like a good cup of tea on a rainy day. My mom, her wisdom guides me even from afar. Friendships that have stood the test of time. I love you all so much. I am grateful for my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, and my TikTok account. Being able to share my life and connect with so many, it's joy unbeatable. Lessons I've learned from motherhood. Oh my God, I can't say them all. Having a roof over my head, it's a privilege I will never forget. Seeing that there are so many who are displaced right now. My growth. Looking back, I see how far I have come and I return all glory to God. Opportunities to learn, even through mistakes. The ability to work on my passion projects like this channel. Oh my God, you don't know how happy I am. Moments of laughter, they make everything better. Having access to good education, both formal and informal, my cultural heritage, it's a source of pride and strength. God bless Nigeria. The beauty of nature, it's so calming. Support from my audience. You all are amazing. Modern conveniences like my shark carpets. Seriously, it's a lifesaver. Books that inspire and motivate me. My creativity. I'm grateful I get to express myself. Technology that keeps me connected to my loved ones. Second chances. I am thankful for the opportunity to grow. The resilience I have built over the years. Celebrating the small wins in life. The ability to create memories with my kids. Those are priceless. Every birthday, it's another chance to reflect and reset. And finally, I am grateful for today, a clean space, a clear mind, and a fresh start. Wow, that felt so good to reflect on. Thank you for being here and for watching this video. I need you to watch till the end so that you can see my cake and what my husband got for me. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Thank you for your love and continue to watch till the end. I love you all so, so much. I couldn't finish this video yesterday because I had guests over. It was my birthday. I couldn't cut my cake yesterday either because I promised I was going to show you guys what the cake really looks like. So it's time. This here is my beautiful cake. Believe it or not, I was not expecting a cake for the birthday because I had no plans at all. But my husband decided, Esther, you are amazing, so let me get you a cake. This is what it is. I'm going to show you the gift he got me now. You might notice a little bit of change in the background. Yes, I had guests over, but while they were here, I decided to set up my radiator cover, and I absolutely love what it looks like. And I set up this tree that I got from Amazon. I will link the tree down below. Oh my god, it's beautiful and cute. Oh, thank you, love. I love it. If not that it doesn't match my outfit, I would have really loved to wear it, you guys.